Meet my family. Hello? My name is Jake. I am 10 years old. I live in a small town in the United States with my family. My family is very special to me. Let me tell you all about them. I have a mother and a father. My mother's name is Sarah. She is very kind and loving. She is a teacher at my school. She teaches math, and she is very good at it. When I do my homework, she helps me if I do not understand something. She always tells me to work hard and do my best. My mother likes to cook. She makes delicious food every day. My favorite food is her homemade pizza. She also bakes cookies. Sometimes my sister and I help her in the kitchen. It is fun. My father's name is John. He is a doctor. He works at a hospital. He helps sick people get better. He is very smart, and many people respect him. He is also very funny. He likes to tell jokes and make us laugh. On weekends, my father plays soccer with me in the park. He teaches me new tricks. Sometimes, we ride our bikes together. My father also likes music. He plays the guitar, and sometimes he sings songs for us. I have one sister. Her name is Emma. She is 8 years old. She is very nice, but sometimes she takes my toys without asking. Even though she can be annoying, I love her very much. Emma likes to read books. She has many storybooks in her room. She also likes to draw. She is very good at drawing animals. She draws cats, dogs, and birds. Sometimes she draws pictures for me. Emma and I play together a lot. We play board games, we watch cartoons, and we build castles with blocks. We also like to play outside. Sometimes we climb trees in our backyard. I have 4 grandparents, 2 grandmothers and 2 grandfathers. They live in different cities, so we do not see them every day, but we visit them often. My mother's parents live in a big house. My grandmother's name is Mary. She loves to bake cakes and cookies. She always gives me extra cookies when we visit. My grandfather's name is Robert. He likes to tell us stories about when he was a boy. His stories are always interesting. My father's parents live on a farm. My grandmother's name is Linda. She takes care of a big garden. She grows tomatoes, carrots, and apples. My grandfather's name is Thomas. He has many animals on the farm. He has cows, chickens, and even a horse. When we visit, I help feed the animals. I love the horse the most. I have one aunt and one uncle. My aunt's name is Lisa. She is my mother's sister. She is a nurse. She works at a hospital like my father. She helps people feel better. My uncle's name is Mike. He is a police officer. He keeps the town safe. Lisa and Mike have 2 children. They are my cousins, Mia and Lucas. They are twins. They are 7 years old. They like to play with toys and watch cartoons. When we visit them, we play hide and seek. We always have fun together. We live in a small house with a garden. Our house has 3 bedrooms. I have my own room. My room is blue. I have a bed, a desk, and a bookshelf. I have many books about space and dinosaurs. Emma has her own room too. Her room is pink. She has dolls and stuffed animals. My parents' room is the biggest. It has a big bed and a big window. We also have a living room with a big sofa. We watch TV there. Our kitchen is next to the living room. My mother cooks there. We eat dinner together every evening. My father always says, "Dinner time is family time." We have 2 pets, a dog and a cat. Our dog's name is Max. He is big and brown. He loves to run in the park. He is very friendly. He likes to play fetch. Our cat's name is Luna. She is small and white. She sleeps a lot. She likes to sit on my bed. She is very soft. Sometimes she sits on my lap when I read. My family likes to do things together. On weekends we go to the park. My sister and I play while my parents walk. Sometimes we go to the zoo. I love to see the lions and giraffes. In the summer, we go to the beach. We swim in the ocean. We build sandcastles. My father buys us ice cream. My favorite flavor is chocolate. In the winter, we play in the snow. We make snowmen. We also drink hot chocolate. Sometimes, we watch movies together at night. My favorite movie is about superheroes. We love holidays. On Thanksgiving, my mother makes a big turkey. We eat with our grandparents. We say, "Thank you for everything." On Christmas, we decorate the Christmas tree. We put lights and ornaments on it. We open presents in the morning. It is very exciting. On the 4th of July, we watch fireworks. They are big and colorful. We also have a barbecue with our neighbors. On Halloween, my sister and I wear costumes. Last year, I was a pirate, and Emma was a princess. We go trick-or-treating and get a lot of candy. My sister and I go to school. I like science and sports. Science is interesting because I learn about space and animals. Sports class is fun because I can run and play soccer. Emma likes English and art. She likes to read and draw pictures. My mother goes to school too, but she is a teacher. My father goes to the hospital to help sick people. I love my family very much. We help each other. We have fun together. My family is the best. This is my family. Do you have a big family?